Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Morpho, $Morpho, launches spot trading on KuCoin, full details and guide. Introduction. The crypto community is buzzing with excitement as Morpho, $Morpho, the latest innovation from Morpho Labs, officially lands on KuCoin. This much-anticipated token listing opens new opportunities for traders and investors. With deposits already live through the ETH-ERC20 network, the next big milestone is the start of spot trading for the Morpho/USDT pair, which begins on November 21, 2024, at 10 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. The Morpho token has already drawn significant attention during KuCoin's pre-market trading phase, providing early indications of its potential. As the listing date approaches, the focus is now on how this dynamic token will perform in the broader market. What is Morpho, $Morpho? Morpho is the flagship token from Morpho Labs, a platform that combines innovative technology with robust tokenomics to empower users in decentralized finance, DeFi. $Morpho aims to revolutionize how users interact with blockchain ecosystems by offering scalability, security, and interoperability. Some key features of $Morpho include DeFi integration, seamless compatibility with various DeFi platforms. Community-driven, active governance allowing token holders to influence key decisions. Efficiency-focused, low transaction costs and fast processing times. With its growing adoption and potential utility, $Morpho has become one of the most anticipated listings on KuCoin this year. Key dates to remember. Mark your calendar with these critical timelines for the Morpho token listing. Deposits open, already live via the ETH-ERC20 network. Pre-market ends, November 21, 2024, at 10 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Spot trading begins, November 21, 2024, at 10 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Settlement opens, November 21, 2024, at 10 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Settlement closes, November 21, 2024, at 1400 hours Universal Time Coordinated. What happened during pre-market trading? KuCoin's pre-market trading phase allowed early adopters to test the waters and observe $Morpho's initial price dynamics. During this period, traders could make speculative moves, gaining valuable insights into the token's potential future performance. The pre-market activity not only highlighted the token's volatility, but also set the stage for its official spot trading launch. As pre-market trading closes at 10 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated on November 21, traders should prepare for the shift to spot trading. The transition is expected to drive more significant trading volume and price action as $Morpho becomes accessible to a wider audience. How to prepare for Morpho spot trading. If you plan to trade or settle $Morpho tokens, here's what you need to do. 1. Deposits. Ensure you've deposited your Morpho tokens into your KuCoin spot trading account. Use the ETH-ERC20 network to transfer tokens securely from an external wallet to KuCoin. 2. Purchases. If you didn't participate in pre-market trading or need more tokens for settlement, you can buy Morpho directly from the KuCoin spot market once trading begins. 3. Settlement details. Settlement will be open from 10 Universal Time Coordinated to 1400 hours Universal Time Coordinated on November 21. Token delivery is automated and processed through KuCoin's trading account system. Important notes. Tokens bought during pre-market trading cannot be used for settlement. Tokens stored in funding or other KuCoin accounts are not eligible for settlement. Failure to deliver tokens by the deadline will result in penalties. A 5% fee will be deducted from collateral. The remaining 95% of the collateral will be credited to the buyer. Act early to avoid delays caused by high network traffic or processing times. Spot trading strategy tips. As the Morpho/USDT pair goes live, traders should consider these strategies to maximize their gains. Set alerts. Use KuCoin's tools to set price alerts and track price movements. Analyze trends. Observe the opening minutes of trading to gauge market sentiment and liquidity. Risk management. Always set stop-loss orders to protect against unexpected market swings. Stay updated. Follow Morpho's official channels and KuCoin announcements for real-time updates. Why Morpho's KuCoin listing matters. Morpho Labs' partnership with KuCoin highlights the platform's confidence in $MORPHO's growth potential. KuCoin is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a global user base, robust security features, and high liquidity. The listing provides increased accessibility. $Morpho will now be available to millions of KuCoin users. Boosted liquidity. Spot trading ensures that $Morpho tokens are readily available for buying and selling. Enhanced credibility. A listing on KuCoin signals trust in the token's technology and future prospects. What's next for Morpho? The Morpho listing is just the beginning. As Morpho Labs continues to roll out new features and collaborations, the token's value and utility are expected to grow. With the backing of an active community and a visionary development team, $Morpho is well positioned to become a prominent player in the DeFi ecosystem. Final thoughts. The Morpho listing on KuCoin marks a significant milestone for both Morpho Labs and the token's growing community. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a new investor, the start of spot trading on November 21, 2024 is a moment to watch. Stay prepared, follow the timelines, and trade responsibly. The future of $Morpho looks bright. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity.